We're trying to figure out the profit, and profit's revenue minus cost. Each rug costs $75 to make. 2/3 of the rugs are sold for $150. 2/3 of the rugs, that would be 2/3 of 150, because it's a total of 150 rugs. So 100 of them, 100 rugs sell for 150. And that leaves 1/3 left over, which will be sold at 200. Rest are sold for 200. So 1/3 of 150 is 50. Yeah, I just cross multiplied. Well, cross canceled. Do the same thing up here. All right, so I've got 100 rugs and 50 rugs. Now the profit, let's figure out the total revenue first. We're going to find revenue. It comes from two different places. The one sold at 150 and the one sold for 200. So I have 100 rugs, and each one is sold for 150. That's revenue. Plus 50 rugs, which are sold for 200 apiece. That's revenue, money brought in, but it doesn't take into account cost. Cost will be, how many rugs do we have altogether? 150. And the cost to make each one is 75. So it's 0, 25, 750. 0, 7 times 5 is 35. 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 5, 12, 1. So 1, 1, 2, 5, 0. So 100 times 150 is 15 with 3 zeros. 5 times 2 is 10 with 3 zeros. Minus 11,250. So that's going to be 25,000 minus 11,250. Go on the side of your paper and figure out that subtraction. That's what I did. And it gave me 13,750 is your profit. Revenue minus cost. And that's answer C.